Do you believe that there are ever situations where the cost to an employer of maternity leave can justify an employer asking only female applicants and not male applicants about family plans?
Senator, those are not my words, and I would never have said them.
I didn't say that. I asked you if you agreed with this statement.
And I'm telling you I don't.
I'd like to have you describe in any way you want to what judicial independence means, and specifically tell us whether you'd have any trouble ruling against a president who appointed you.
Turn your microphone on.
I'm sorry. So that's a softball, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
I have no difficulty ruling against or for any party other than based on what the law and the facts in the particular case require. I sit on the bench and someone comes to argue before me. I treat each one of them equally. They don't come as rich or poor, big guy or little guy. They come as a person. And I put my ego aside when I put on that robe, and I open my mind, and I open my heart, and I listen.
Today, I also respected you for calling Chief Judge Garland when your nomination was announced. And I understand you respect him as a jurist. Is that correct?
Very much so, Senator. Whenever I see his name attached to an opinion, it's one I read with special care. He's an outstanding judge.
Do you think he was treated fairly by this committee, yes or no?
Senator, as I explained to you before, I can't get involved in politics. And there's judicial canons that prevent me from doing that. And I think it would be very imprudent of judges to start commenting on political disputes between themselves or the various branches.
One other question.
Sure.
Do you view Roe as having super precedent?
Well, Senator, a super precedent is a...
In numbers, 44...
It has been reaffirmed many times. I can say that. Yes.
Yes, dozens.
Authority to ban all Jews from the United States or all people that come from Israel.
Senator...
Would that be an easy question?
We have a Constitution, and it does guarantee free exercise. It also guarantees equal protection of the laws and a whole lot else besides. And the Supreme Court in Zavidas has held that due process rights extend even to undocumented persons in this country. Okay? I will apply the law. I will apply the law faithfully and fearlessly and without regard to persons.
How about
I don't care.
Regard to religion?
Anyone, any law is going to get a fair and square deal with me.
If you were on the court, which side would you have voted with?
Senator, I admire the various ways. You'd be a formidable companion in the courtroom.
I'm just I'm a lawyer from a small town.
Yeah, all right. I've heard that story. Whenever a lawyer says I'm just a lawyer from a small town, watch out. Last time you got to watch your wallet because it's gone quickly. In my experience.
Did you ever met President Trump personally?
Not until my interview.
In that interview, did he ever ask you to overrule Roe v. Wade?
No, Senator.
What would he have done if he'd asked?
Senator, I would have walked out the door.